honest, we have had a really amazing response to our sessions. The turnout has been great, and the people who have attended have been extremely interactive throughout the sessions, which we really appreciate. We've also heard a lot of appreciation for the hands-on part of our workshop, where the attendees are able to log into a system and develop a model in real time, following along as we do it during the session. Another thing we've noticed is that people join in from various different departments like IT, finance, operations, marketing, and so on. And this really highlights that cross-functional interest in Datasphere. One of the key things, and we discuss this very extensively in our sessions as well, is the business data fabric and what the need is for such a fabric to exist, right? So traditionally, our approaches have all been technology-centric rather than data-centric, and this has resulted in the loss of reliable data. There are multiple data silos created, there's no single source of truth, and more often than not, you lose valuable business context, which is not easy to regain, right? Once you lose the business context, it is not easy to get back. Now, a business data fabric architecture, it focuses on pulling in data from multiple different sources to create that single source of truth, right? It acts as a scalable and reliable foundation of data for your organization. And Datasphere essentially enables this business data fabric. Right, so Datasphere, it can integrate seamlessly to multiple different technologies, and this is something we also cover extensively in our sessions, where we talk about how Datasphere can connect to SAP and non-SAP sources and bring all the data into one single location, which acts as a single source of truth. This also plays into the concept of a business data fabric, where you have a single source of truth for your data, eliminating data silos, preserving your data context, and so on. And what this means for organizations is that it empowers the organizations to harness the power of new technologies, and at the same time, it allows you to leverage the data stored in your existing SAP systems. Right, so we are seeing a lot of interest in this current workshop series that we're conducting, and in order to take this momentum forward, what we have planned is to have a series of workshops which would delve into the core concepts in much more detail. The idea here is that the attendees would get a deeper understanding of core concepts, and they would also be able to have some practical experience on the more advanced topics.